Hello everyone, my name is Manar Al-Haradi and today I am going to show you how to build an e-commerce system into your server. I have chosen the product NopCommerce, which is an open source platform and it provides fully customizable shopping cart facility. Now I will begin with the system requirements of NopCommerce. First, it needs to be installed on Windows 7 and above or Windows Server 2008 and above. For me, I'm going to install it in Windows Server 2012. Second, the web server IIS, which stands for Internet Information Service, needs to be installed as well. Third, Microsoft SQL Server 2008 or above needs to be installed in order to build your store database in it. And the supported internet browser could be anything, but for me, I am going to use Microsoft Internet Explorer. Now I'm going to show you how am I going to install the system requirements. I will start with installing the web server, which is IIS. First, we open the server manager and then we press on Add Roles and Feature in the dashboard. The Add Roles and Features wizard will appear. You can click on Next, Server Selection. You can choose the server and then you can choose the web server IIS. You can select it, add features, next, and then install it, and the installation has ended. And you can see it and the appears that it already installed. And now I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft SQL Server 2014 Express. I've installed it from the website Microsoft.com. I installed the Microsoft SQL Express and the Management Express. Both of them are installed in the same process. First, you go to the setup and run it as an administrator, and this wizard will appear, and select a new SQL Server and standalone installation. And now this wizard will appear. First, you need to accept the license term, then a global rules check, Microsoft updates checks, and it will install the setup files, install the rules, and you can choose what features do you want to install in here. Name your instance, which I called it SQL Express, and then server configurations. And server configuration, you can whether choose authentication mode, Windows authentication, or a user or ID. And now the installation progress have ended, and you can see both of the server SQL configuration and management appears in the start. Now I will show you how to install the NopCommerce. I have installed it from the NopCommerce website in downloads, and I have chose the web no source. First, I extracted the files, and this is the process of extracting, and then I copied them to the root directory of IIS. And then we open the Microsoft SQL Server 2014 and we connect to it and we create a new database. I called my database Manar Store just for an example, and after that I expanded the database and I saw the Manar Store database. Next, I am going to the root directory from local disk and pub/hi and www root, and you can see the extracted files of NopCommerce in here. Then I will go to the Internet Explorer and type http localhost install, and I'll add this is the NopCommerce installation page. I will put, for an example, my email address, which is manarlaradi.2015@gmail, and insert the password for my login username, my login, enter the server name, which is my web server, my server that I'm using, and the SQL server, and the database name is Minar Store, and then process. As you can see, it's opened, and now you can add to your shopping carts, and you can buy and view news and features products, and you can view them from the cart button up. Yes, this is the item you select. Now I will log in with my username, which is Minar Aradi, gmail.com, and the password. Login and go to administration, and here you can see everything, information about NopCommerce news and orders and new customers and the totals of your order and the latest order. Now I'm going to show you how to access NopCommerce from another PC. First, you check your IP address of the server and the command line, and then you go to your web browser. I'm using Chrome, and enter the IP address in the link path. Anyways, and now the page will appear. You press on login, and then you enter your email and password, like my old one, and then you can view it all. You can also go to administration and access all the administrator things to view. Thank you all for your time, and thank you for watching my video.